Good day, Mom and Sir. I'm Marifel Hope Francisco Sornito, 45 years old, single, and currently residing in Tagum City, Davao del Norte, Philippines. I'm a Roman Catholic. My height is 4'11", weight 65 kg. I'm a college graduate with a degree of Bachelor of Elementary Education, year 2001. I arrived Hong Kong 2002. Since then, I stayed there for 22 years, serving one Chinese family, one couple, and 2 kids, aged 3 and 8 years old. I left the family last year, September 2024. I do all the household chores, such as cooking, cleaning, washing and ironing clothes, marketing and car washing, and taking care of the kids. I can handle all the household chores without any supervision. I'm a reliable and responsible helper. That's all, Sir and Mom. Thank you, and again, have a good day.